I'm Josie Sullivan from the Saline High School Science Olympiad program, and today I'll be showing you an experiment testing surface tension on pennies. For this experiment, all that you'll need is a syringe or an eyedropper, some kind of coin, I'm using a penny, some soap or other liquids, water, and that's it. First, you'll take your eyedropper or your syringe, fill it up with a bunch of water, and begin to drop the water onto the penny slowly, counting each drop as you go. Note the size of the drops. How many drops fit on the penny? Once the water runs off the penny, dry it off and try again. The reason why adding soap generally allows fewer drops to fit on the penny is because adding soap lowers water's surface tension so that the drops become weaker and break apart sooner. Keeping these water droplets apart is what helps soap clean dishes and clothes more easily, and what allows it to spread over surfaces very easily. Whereas with just plain water, the water would all clump up in one area and not clean the entire plate or the entire shirt. I hope you all enjoyed this experiment testing surface tension on pennies. If you would like to let us know what you got from these experiments, please feel free to email us at salinescioli@gmail.com. Keep an eye out in the next few weeks from the school administrators and on our website, as well as our Instagram, for any other news updates regarding our new science experiments. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!